Wolves are getting closer to the Front Range, and that's big news for Colorado's ecosystem. Recent Colorado parks and wildlife maps show gray wolf activity reaching farther into Boulder and Jefferson counties than ever before, with additional movement near the Wyoming border in Larimer and Jackson counties. While sightings don't mean wolves stayed in those areas long term, their expanding range is seen as a healthy sign for biodiversity and a major step toward Colorado's voter-mandated wolf reintroduction goals. Stay informed on wildlife updates as wolves continue to reshape Colorado's natural landscape.